Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar from Babu Banarsidass University. I am a professor there in the School of Management. Today we are discussing about the skills, functions, characteristics of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So these are the various things. We in the last session, in the last values, if you have to remember the things, what is the entrepreneurship? What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a process. It's a process. Entrepreneur is an object, or later on we will discuss about the development. This is the synchronized process. So, to give a strength, to give a knowledge, to give a enthusiasm of the process of entrepreneurship, the entrepreneur has certain qualities. In the management terms, the qualities is basically characters or the skills. So, in these skills, what the skill? So we know that for the entrepreneur, the qualities, characters should be like a manager. So what the qualities should be in the field of manager? He should be a program planner, organizer, director, collector of the informations, and controller to be there. This type of, and like he should have that type of knowledge, skills of that particular field. Maybe past business was there, he is the ancestral business, so he wants to run down the business, this type of. But what else was there besides these qualities, like management qualities add on. So today, management qualities. Plus, what plus? Management means planning, organizing, directing, emotion, and control. These are the 5 fundamental principles of management. Planning, organizing, directing, evaluation, and control. 5. These qualities, these skills should be always in the field of entrepreneur. But what else? जैसे कहते हैं कि टीचर में क्या क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए? एक सिंपल. तो he has the knowledge, he has the skill, he has qualification, he has better, but कुछ स्पेसिफिक अलग सा. He should be a good trainer ability, teaching insight values to be there. आज की डेट उसको केमिस्ट्री कुछ लोग बोलते हैं, like that. So we are discussing that qualities which an entrepreneur should have. So the first thing is, the first one, that is ambition. Ambition. He should be a very, very ambitious person. He should what? Successful entrepreneur have high ambition about their ventures. They want to achieve high goals in business. Due to this high ambition or high achievement motives, they are able to overcome the obstacles in their businesses, turn misfortunate into the frontiers, suppose entities, and find a new way of the success to be there. Ambitious. Without ambition, he cannot become a good entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur. Because entrepreneur की language में सिर्फ 2 ही चीजें होती हैं, success और failure. It is not the first, second, third position holder. First, second, third. No. Success or failure. If you cannot get down the success, competitive exam में, you have given the examination, your paper is well formed to be there. If you are not selected, so at that time when I ask you, ki, what so and so, Mr. Suresh, or what? So, what you are doing? Sir, I have given the examination, I got 92% of marks, but I cannot get selection. No. Whatever the selection is to be there, pass or fail, success or failure. So, to become as an entrepreneur, you should be an ambition which you can achieve. A high value of perfection with dedication was there. So ambitious. Second thing is creativity. What creativity? First is ambition. First is ambition. Second is creativity. For the entrepreneur, he should be a creative bent of mind. Everything in the newer version is to be there. So successful entrepreneurs are creative or innovative in their task. They do new things, manufacture new goods, find new sources of materials, use new methods of production, search new heights, markets, and so on. They do not invent new things, but because they are not a scientist, simple, invent new things, but use these inventions for producing new goods and services. Right? So this is the things. So he should be in a creative bent of mind. We have already discussed about the various cars to be there, like bikes to be there, lot of things to be there. If you have to look after. So creativity approach was there. Recently, कुछ समय पहले शायद मैंने साइकिल्स वगैरह देखता था मैं, बट मैंने एक लोग साइकिल चला रहे थे, मैंने देखा उनके पहिए खूब मोटे थे, लाइक बाइक के तो नहीं कहूंगा मैं, बट बाइक और साइकिल के बीच के पहिए थे, उसके वो थे टायर्स. I just asked that person to be there, sir, you are running, how you have to run down the things? Because as per my knowledge, I am not a technical person to be there, कि भाई ज्यादा मोटे पहिए होंगे तो अगर उसको इग्निशन नहीं मिलेगा, फोर्स नहीं मिलेगा तो शायद उतने अच्छे से चलेगा नहीं. तो ये दिस इज द रेसिंग लाइन और इट इज टू बी गुड ऑन फुट स्टेप्स, ऊपर चढ़ने पे ये स्लिप नहीं करती ये सब. जिसका वो कैरेक्टर इज टू बी देयर और उसके लिए मार्केट है. जो लोग थोड़ा डर के चलाते हैं उनके लिए वो साइकिल अच्छी हो. दिस इज द क्रिएटिव अप्रोच टू बी देयर. कोई चेंजेस नहीं, साइकिल इज द सेम वर्क बट वी हैव चेंज्ड सर्टेन स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एडेड दैट टाइप ऑफ टायर्स ऑन दैट. So this giving new market Australia. बहुत सारी जगह पे, दिल्ली में चले जाइए, दिल्ली में पराठे वाली गली बताते हैं लोग. Even in Lucknow, a lot of expertise is to be there. The take about samosas. Someone they have to put the different experiment, different values. समोसे का shape and size कहीं नहीं बदला. Size may be little bit up and down, but if you have to look after the capability, the size design by which this is known as a samosa, it's never changed. The things have to be there. Creativity. We have to create it. Certain artwork may come down. Certain things can be added in that way. This type of thing. Third is self-confidence. Self-confidence. Third. Successful entrepreneur has confidence in their skills and abilities. They are sure about success in their business. They do not hesitate to launch new products, expand and diversify their businesses. They are confident of overcoming any unanticipated problems and survive in the adverse conditions to be there. This type of thing, self-confidence. So we should be very, very self-confident if you are running any type of self-business, like entrepreneur development is to be there. Now, foresight, future-oriented. Foresight. Everyone has a foresightness. Everyone has. But how we are using our foresightness for a successful running business or become a successful entrepreneur. So the successful entrepreneur has a good foresight, future seeing. They forecast the future business environment. That is how will be the likes and dislikes of the customers, what will be the taste or what will be the state of technologies, and prepare a plan of action accordingly. Foresightness helps them to cope up with the future environment effectively and stay ahead of others in the industry. So a lot of industries are to be coming in India, like Ratan Tata, they are manufacturing according to that product is to be there. Recently, after the lockdown, if you have to look after the lockdown is to be there, a lot of persons to be enter, they are just manufacturing of the what? Sanitizer. Sanitizer is basically like alcohol brand. Alcohol can be easily available, easily manufactured in the field of the sugarcane industry. So every sugar industry, they are just starting the production this time. So new avenues can be come down. सो फोरसाइटनेस कि अभी तो साल 2 साल तो हमारा बिजनेस चल जाएगा, चलो सैनिटाइजर का भी काम साथ में कर लो। तो जो उनके बाय प्रोडक्ट्स थे, दे हैव टू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स टू बी देयर, और दे हैव बिकम सक्सेसफुल ब्रांड लाइक दैट, मे बी लिट ऑफ। नेक्स्ट, हार्ड वर्क। I will just add on one thing, hard smart work, you can say that. Now this is because for the entrepreneur, hard work is like smart work, because entrepreneurs desire to succeed in the market, desire to success. So they should be prepared to work hard. They should work untidily and by hours together to be there. Then the main thing is to be there, like emotional balance. सबसे बड़ी बात, emotional balance. We should be very emotionally balanced to be there. Like there are always ups and downs in the business. Sometimes you make profit, sometimes you will losses to be there. But if you wish to succeed in business, you have to tackle these things. And for this you have to control your emotions, which maybe come down from yours inside or from your surroundings, like your family, your brotherhood, whatever. So successful entrepreneur neither get carried away due to the huge profits nor loss their resources. Due to a heavy losses may be possible, but you should not lose your temper. Always you should be balanced. So always maintain emotional balance, and they treat like the situations as normal features of business and remain calm and quiet. अब यही बात आती है कि we can say like कहना आसान है, मैंने कहा ना, being and well-being, the condition will be different. But for the entrepreneur, this character should be there. Otherwise, you will not survive in the market. Seventh point, that is decision-making abilities. Decision-making. So, for the skill type, for the skill basis, the successful entrepreneur have a good decision-making ability. They make decisions promptly and accurately at the right time, at the right places to be there. So, decision-making is an important function of entrepreneur in every place of the life is to be there. Like courtesy. Being human, we can say. The successful entrepreneur deal with the customers, vendors, employees, government officials, and the great public in a colorful manner. Always. It should be very courteous. And modesty leads to be a success. If you are little bit bland, definitely everyone will come and take the business to be there. Then communication skill. Management side. I already told you that functions of manager is to be already included in this. So regarding the functions, so communication skill. Communication skill. This is known as basically the professional communication skill. Whatever you are telling, others should understand clearly with the value of understanding. So आप क्या बोलते हैं, क्या समझते हैं, क्या देखना चाहते हैं, you should be clearly understood the things is to be, but others should analyze, the others should understand, and then they give feedback after it. So communication skill is the main important qualities of a successful entrepreneur. With good communication skill, entrepreneurs are able to convince effectively their ideas, thoughts, and job requirements. Then 10th, that is good character. Good characters. Good characters always pay, whether you are a leader, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a manager, whatever. So important qualities in today's business industry. Today no enterprise can survive for a long time by following unethical and fraudulent practices. Here, unethical and fraudulent. I already discussed these things. In that I already told you that if you are doing this business unethical and fraudulent ways, maybe possible one time you can run down. But later on, you will not survive. Your business will not run down. And for the cyclic ways, you need these things to be there. So your character should be in that. Then motivational ability. 11th. Motivational ability. Two things. Motivate to whom? Your employees. And motivational self also. So the successful entrepreneur has ability to motivate the employee. They can extract best work from them and achieve high goals. Motivational ability is also required for getting the expected responses from the customers, vendors, and the governments. Then opportunist. Opportunist. I already discussed this thing nowadays. कि जैसे ही शुगर फैक्ट्री वालों ने देखा, इमीडिएटली सैनिटाइजर बनाने का काम शुरू कर दिया. दिस इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी. और एज द सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैज दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटीज टू बी देयर. They seek opportunities and exploit them. They convert problems into opportunities, that is production. Then, finally, the last thing, that is the patience. Patience. Success will come very cyclic form, very little form is to be there. So you should be patient. They are not affected by adverse situations like temporary failures, low consumer responses, labor problem, etc. You should always be a patient because ultimate whenever you are done. So in today's conditions, a successful entrepreneur with the values of entrepreneurship qualities, we have this type of abilities to be there. Ambitious, creativity, confidence, emotional imbalance, hard work, courtesy, good characters, motivational abilities, opportunistic, this type of. So all these type of characters with the management characteristics should be in the hand of an entrepreneur for the running business. Or if these qualities are not in the hand of entrepreneur, he cannot become a successful entrepreneur in the developing process of the entrepreneurship.